Hi, and welcome to this mini course where we're going to discuss some Laravel packages and the differences between them. We're going to discuss Laravel Breeze, Jetstream, Laravel Sanctum, Passport, Pennant, and Fortify. And we're going to do a short comparison, for example, between Breeze and Jetstream, and Sanctum and Passport, and Sanctum against Passport, and with some info about Fortify also. And for the final package, we're gonna do a short overview of Laravel Pennant, which is a relatively new package, but it's a great package. Overall, this won't be a long course since I'm gonna install Laravel on my PC. I'm gonna show you how to install it via Composer and via Laravel Herd. And we're gonna do Git branches for Breeze and Jetstream, so you can see when I do the checkout and switch the branches, so you will see the differences in the user interface and the functionality.